Okay. Well, here she is. I did finally get the winch put on the front. Held on with a receiver hitch so that I can move it from the front to the rear if I need to. I've got 4 deep cycle batteries from O'Reilly's. Still 2 of my old Optimas down there. My air compressor. Got my air hose, winch controller. I've got a oil cooler with a fan, transmission cooler with a fan, and an electric fan on the radiator. Got a bunch of wiring. It is definitely not anywhere near close to being done yet. My battery charger, the battery oscillator. I took off that crazy looking cold air intake because it didn't work very good. Actually ended up being more of a restriction than anything else. What I did here is I hooked me up an auxiliary propane system. It just right into the back of the refrigerator. The hose runs down, and then I have to run out these smaller propane size, barbecue grill size propane tanks. I'm running everything right now just because I run it once a month. There's my OEM generator. It's running good. Once a month. I got this weird looking contraption right here that switches between my two generators. I was going to push that latch there. What I did for y'all that don't know is over here I took a little propane right in here. Choke is over here on the side. Full cable right here. Got a little cooling fan on the bottom of it. So I have a propane generator and a gasoline generator. Here's the onboard propane tank. And I opted to go with the small ones because of my bad back. And you'll notice I got some cameras over here. Right there. One over here. I've got these cool reverse lights on here. LEDs. Got a cargo carrier up here with some stuff in it. Here's my solar cells. Got 4 of the big ones. Need to clean them off. I did finally get my air conditioner heat pump working. Kinda sorta. Doesn't have a thermostat, it just runs all the time. Also got these 2 smaller ones right here. And this is my TV antenna. Got a light here on the front. I have one over here. Tree took it off. Got one over here though. And one of my horns got ripped off by a tree branch. So I'll have to get that fixed. Okay, I never did finish getting the side painted. Either side. Right here where the blue is at. I did get my curtain up though. I also get this little auxiliary little TV antenna. I get really poor reception right here. Excuse the mess.
Can you get it? Any markers or anything?
I don't believe so. I'll look around here though. That's my solar system right there. Did finally get my curtain up and hanging. Got all these cameras right here. Forward, backwards, right side forward, right side rear, left side forward, left side rear. There's my 12-volt TV. Okay, continuing on here. Let's see where my flashlight is. So I got all them cameras. This is my headlight right here. And she starts out good. Okay, this is my headlight. This switch right here is for my monitors. This right here is my jump start switch. It connects the two sets of batteries together. Electric fuel pump. And this is another headlight. Now it's still definitely under construction. I still haven't finished this top up here. Always more work to do. I did get my gauges in. I'll show you, I got cool blue instrument lights. Fuel pressure. Gas gauge. Vacuum. Bolts.
Pizza Hut.
That is rear differential temperature right there. This is engine temperature. Transmission temperature. Oil pressure and oil temperature. So let's keep this down. Let me get this whole thing. Speedometer. My tachometer did quit working. I'm not quite sure why. And what I did over here was I took out my gauges and I replaced them with idiot lights. I got a low fuel light, battery light, oil pressure light, and temperature light. They work. Gas gauge I finally got working. I had to put a new sending unit in it. So here's my other switch cluster. It's not done yet. Got these switches right here. over here. My windshield wipers. I still need to mount this a little better. And this is actually my headlights. I kept pulling my windshield wiper knob off, so put this big door handle or door knob on here. Let's see if my windshield wipers are even working. Yep, they're working. Got a bunch of wires down here I still need to work on. And my AC and heat unit needs some work. Now let me show you this light right here. So that's the engine compartment right there. Here's Michelle over here working in the kitchen. My big refrigerator caught on fire, so I ended up with a smaller refrigerator. Smoke damage up over here, but tell you what, this right here is a very important thing to have. Right here, big old fire extinguisher. I've also got this little propane heater right here. I'm a real fan of it, I really like it. Got an electric heater right here, and a stove. Put this electric heater over here. 12-volt TV. Shower's totally operational. Uses this on-demand hot water heater right here. And the bedroom back here. Switched out all the lights for LED lights. Michelle's wall. Got a capacitor right there. Down here, I think you remember, this whole bed lifts up and I store my propane tanks underneath the bed here. I could cut off part of this closet right here because there's a head bunker. Got that door back on there again. Michelle has problems with mirrors, so we have to have something cover it up so she doesn't get in a fight with it. See, Komodo, everything all works. Fan right here. Got my Altec Lansing, or my Infinity Amine speakers right here. Stove. Coffee maker. Trash can. Regular breaker box with my generator bypass switch down there, and fuses are right down here. 12-volt system. As far as my heat pump unit, heat pump air conditioner, if if you turn it to, I put this little pull handle switch right here. That's heat. That's cool. That's heat. That's cool. Because the thermostat was just set for cool, I had to swap it out or just take it out. So it just runs all the time. I just turn it on and off when I need it. So, got a new furnace installed. Propane works fantastic. So, I got a propane forced air furnace. I have a propane heater right here. I have an electric heater. I have another electric heater. And I've got the AC slash heater right here. So I've got 1, 2, 5 heaters, 1 air conditioner, a refrigerator, like I said, my bigger one caught on fire. So I had to redo it. Here's put a cooling fan up in here to do that. I got a fan right there. More infinity speakers right here. Right here. And microwave. Just getting it right here for food. I put lights in it. Because I couldn't see in there very good without the lights. So, there's the RV, the Titan, 1985, 84. When I moved to New Mexico, it turns out New Mexico is a chassis state. So they registered it under the chassis, so it's now registered as an 84 Chevrolet P30, as opposed to a 85 Champion Titan RV. So, that's my tour, and that's how she's coming along. It's been probably about 4 years now, 3 or 4 years now. So it's just slowly getting there. Tell you what, I wouldn't have changed a thing. I freaking have loved every minute of this, and I've been living in it full time now for a good 3.5 years now. So drove it from New Mexico and back, New Mexico and back to Branson a few times, and she runs fantastic. Okay, y'all take care and have a good day.